Hello trader, stop, don't trade today until you see this analysis. Now to watch this video, Aboiji001 is here. Let me break down the market and let's see the opportunity market created for us. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever the time zone you are turning in from, you already know what we do on this platform. We analyze the chart and see the opportunity market created for us. Happy new month to all of you traders. This month is going to favor us and we are going to succeed and profitable in this trading journey and in that case we are doing. To all my subscribers, I highly appreciate for the support. To those of you that are using my signal, I highly appreciate for the opportunity. Last month we are favor and we are in win and we are in loss. But to those of you my video just pop up into your screen, kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to on all the notification button. It gets the reason why my video just pop up into your screen, seriously. So let's quickly go into the chart. And before we go into the chart, let's quickly go into the what forest factory. Maybe there is what, maybe there is what this is what we are having. This is what we are having, which is what on 3rd of what August 2026. This is what we are having. And around 3 o'clock, we are having high patterns on USD. And let's quickly go to our chart and see what the opportunity market has for us. Seriously. I've been analyzing this market before I have about my technical issue, which is network. So this is our key level on month. We already know on Monday we started from monthly time frame to know the general overview of the market. You can see this is the general overview of the market. We are in what? We are in uptrend. You can see the uptrend. We are in what? We are in uptrend as for me on monthly time frame, but market is what is doing correctional movement. This is our key level, this is the high, and this is the body of the candle. At the body of the candle, we plot our key level, and this is the key level here, this is the key level here, and this is the key level here. You can see the key level here from monthly time frame. So we have to move on what weekly time frame. This is our key level on or weekly time frame. This is the key level resistance. This is the what? This is the high. This is the lower high that gave us this higher high. This is the lower high that gave us this higher high, and this is the another higher high that this lower high gave us. So let's quickly go. Let's see what we are having. This is all what we are having on monthly and weekly time frame. But on daily time frame, what we do on daily time frame? These are what? These are key. These are our swing high. After the break of structure, this is our swing low here, and this is the demand here. We are expecting the market to come to this what to call to this demand. This is what we are having as for me. This is what we are having, and what we are having here. This is what the market is doing on daily time frame. You can see we are in downtrend, and we are still have demand here. Market is coming down here. This is the recent break of structure market gave us on daily time frame, and this is the what? This is the supply. So as for me, I'm still expecting uptrend because we have a FEG here. I'm still expecting the market to mitigate this supply. And this is the other block. If market wants to shape this liquidity, it will take this other block before going down, or this is the previous supply here. So this is what we are having on daily time frame. We are in that trend, but this is the recent supply here. But if market does not expect to expect this other block in this previous supply, so let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. If we redefine, we will redefine the opportunity here, and this is what we are having on 4 hour time frame. We redefine the supply data we gave us here. This is what we are having. But if we said we should read the structure now, we can read the structure from here. This is breakup structure for me, and this can be what change of character. And as for me, you can see market has already mitigated this place. And we are having break of structure here. This is break of structure, and this is what? This is the other block here. So I'm expecting the market to call to what? To push up from here. I'm expecting the buy from here. So let's move to 1 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame also. This is what the buy is giving us. You can see what the buy is giving us. On 1 hour time frame, this is what the buy is giving us after the change of character here. This is the buy. You can see what the buy is giving us. This is, as for me, this is what break of structure. Market came back to this break of structure, mitigate this other block, continue the uptrend. So this is what we are having. I'm seeing an uptrend market here because this is a break of structure here, and this is the high. This is change of character here. You can see what the market is doing. So market came back to this key level to respected the key level before continuing the uptrend. So this is what I'm having on what on 1 hour time frame. Let's move to 30-minute time frame, which is our analysis time frame also. You can see what we are having on 30-minute time frame also. This is what we are having on 30-minute time frame. And what can we do now? We can see what can we do to this market to continue the uptrend. So let's move to 15-minute time frame to see where we can buy the market. This is 15-minute time frame, and this is what the market is doing. 15-minute time frame. As for me, on 15-minute time frame, this is break of structure. This is the LFG market. This is where the market open now. The market has already closed this. But if you want to buy this market, we just have to wait. We just have to wait. As for me, we have to wait for market to give us break of structure before we can say we are buying this market. Seriously, we have to wait for market to give us break of structure before we can buy this market. Or rather, we should wait for the market to come to this what this key level before we can see an uptrend again. Because this is a liquidity swept. So if we said we have to wait for this market to come here, to come to this key level before we can say we are buying the market, before we can say we are buying the market seriously. So as for me, if I want to buy the market, I'd rather wait from here. So market will sweep all this liquidity here. Since no one break the structure, so market will quickly sweep this liquidity here. Those ones will serve as what liquidity. So market will come back to the sweep this liquidity before what? Before continue the uptrend. That is what I can see on 1 hour time frame. So on 15-minute time frame, we just be giving us structure that is not valid. So I would rather wait for market to come down here before I can see uptrend. So this is what I can see seriously. This is a buy. This is a buy. This is a buy opportunity on what on sliver. This is where this is our entry. This is our take profit. This is our what stop trade. So this is what we are having. We are buying the market from here. Seriously, this is an opportunity. We are buying the market from here. As for me, this is opportunity for us. This is a key level. This is a key level here. So this is a key level, and this serves as what? This was as liquidity before. No one breaking the market. So I would rather wait for the market to save this liquidity before I continue the what about trade into this supply, into this supply. Seriously, into this supply. This is what I can do. Or this is what I can see. So we are buying the market from here. Let's move to good. Let's see what good has for us. For monthly time frame on gold, this is our key level here. You can see the key level. This is the higher high monthly key level give us, and this is what we are having. And you can see on monthly time frame, we are having FEG also here on monthly time frame, and this is our key level. This is our key level here. You can see the key level, and this is our key level here. So these are the key level we have for monthly time frame. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is our key level on weekly time frame. You can see at the body of the candle. This is our key level here. These are key level here also. And you can see market has sold, and you can see this key level market has was tested, but we can say this our key level also because it's the one that give us this what it's the one that give us this high. This is the one that gave us this is the higher and this is the higher low that give us this higher high, and this is the higher low that give us this higher high, and this is the higher low that is trying to give us what this that is trying to give us this, but what market was break it down again. So this is what we are having on weekly time frame. You can see how market how it's too much on demand. So only just this one since we are in what general overview of the market on what on monthly time frame is giving us Q uptrend. This one market is coming to this Q what FEG. So let us calm down. Market is still selling. This is what the market is giving us. So let's move to 4 hour time. Let's move to daily time frame, which is our higher time frame. This is our daily time frame. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. This is our swing low, and you can see market is playing around this what around this key level, around this demand key level. You can see market is playing from there. This is demand. Buyers buyers are here. You can see where the buyers and buyers are trying. You can see buyers are trying to push the market up. Seriously, the buyer are trying to push this market up. The buyer are trying to, and this is what we are having. This is the last break of structure we are having on day what near this what demand zone, and we are having what we are having a break of structure, and we are having supply here. This is the supply we are having over here. So I'm expecting if I'm expecting a sell, I'm expecting a sell from this supply. So as for now, I'm still expecting a buy. Seriously, as for now, I'm still expecting a buy. So let's see where we can buy the market. Let's move to 4 hours, 1 hour, and 30 minutes, which is our analysis time frame. This is 4 hours. This is what we are having on 4 hours as for me. We are having market structure sheet here. You can see how we can read the market. Market come back to this one, to this other block. Market's trying to push it up. You can see this is break of structure to down, and we are having change of character from here. This is what we are having. You can see this is what we are having, and this is what the market is giving us. Seriously. And for me, this will serve as our key level here. Or say we are saying demand. This is our market over here. But market mitigated this other block here. You can see where the market mitigated. The market mitigated that other block here. After market mitigated this other block, but this other block won't push it up anymore. So this is the key level. How he said I'm expecting the market to come back and push it up seriously on 4 hour time frame. This is what I can see. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to see opportunity. 1 hour time frame to redefine the opportunity. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what I am seeing on 1 hour time frame. You can see market come back to this other block. After market come back to this other block, this serve as what? This is break of structure. You can see the break of structure here also. This is break of structure on 4 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, if we divide the break of structure, this is valid break of structure on 1 hour time frame also. And there is what break of structure here. Market came back here, swept this liquidity and continue the downtrend. All what I'm seeing now, I'm expecting the market to come to this zone here, to this demand zone, before I can see a uptrend. Seriously, that is all what I can see. That is all what I can see. Seriously, because on 4 hour time frame, this serve as opportunity. You can see this serve as liquidity because this is supply on 4 hour time frame. Give us, but market couldn't break it, so we are having supply up here. We are having liquidity up here also. We are having liquidity up here, and this is what the market is giving us after market structure shift from where, because this is a liquidity swept. Market structure shift from here. Market came back to this other block, give us uptrend, give us break of structure. After break of change of character, this is the demand zone market gave us on 1 hour. So I'm expecting the market to come here, give us uptrend. Seriously, this is what I can see. Let's move to 1 hour time, then 1 hour time frame again. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. So let's move to 30-minute time frame. This is 30-minute time frame. So this is our liquidity. So I'm expecting a watch. Let's see. Let's be expecting a downtrend before we can see uptrend. Seriously, that is what the market is giving us. So this is the best opportunity 1 hour gave us. So I would rather wait for this 1 hour opportunity than to be taking the trade up or down. Seriously. These are our coordinates. These are entry. These are take profit. Why these are our stop trade. You can see all what we are having. These are our coordinates now. Our entry, our stop trade. This is the 39 future. Yeah, yeah. So this is what we are having. So let's be patient. We are still buying the market from here again. Let's be patient. Let's see 15-minute time frame. So as for me, 15-minute time frame is giving us downtrend. So you can just be studying the market. So just wait, just wait. Let just as for me, let just wait. Let's be patient, seriously. Let's be patient before we can take any other trade. Let's be patient. Let us be patient. This is where the market is. This other block on what? On 1 hour time frame. If you want to take this sell, you can take this sell. Other block. Sorry for this. This is a buy. Let's see 15. Let's see 30 minutes. This is what 30 minutes giving us. You can see. Let's see 15 minutes. This is what? This is market structure shift. This is market structure shift. This is what the 30 15 minutes history is giving us. This is what the market is giving us seriously. So this sell here has not given me structure that I will say I'm selling the market. So I would rather wait for this what? For this buy than that sell seriously. Let's wait for this buy and the sell. Let's move to US30. Let's see what US30 has for us. This is US30 for monthly time frame. These are the key level. You can see this is an uptrend market on US30. You can see key level here, key level here, key level here. Weekly time frame. This is our weekly time frame. This is what we are having. On weekly time frame, this is what we are having. You can see this is what we are having on weekly time frame. So this is our what? This is opportunity market created for us on weekly time frame. You guys be patient. So let's now move to daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. This is what the market is giving us on daily time frame. And for me, this is our swing high. This is the another swing. This is a liquidity shift. Seriously, this is the what? This is the swing low. This is another swing low here. This is another swing high here. You can see what the market is doing now. As for me on this is what this is demand. This is demand zone. As for me, this is the demand zone here. And you can see this is a liquidity sweat market. On daily time frame, that is the liquidity sweat market. So what we are having now, let's move to 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. After this is liquidity, seriously. Let's let's move to this is a liquidity and market what has mitigated this FED. You can see what market is doing. So we are still in uptrend. So let's move to 1 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame to see the opportunity. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is giving us on 1 hour time frame. After liquidity, after on 1 hour time frame, after liquidity shift, we are having what? As for me, we are having market structure shift here. Market mitigate this FEG. Definitely we are in uptrend and definitely this is an order block because we are having change of we are having break of structure here. And as for me, we are having opportunity here. Which we are buying the market from here. So this is the demand market or what on 1 hour time frame because it gave us break of structure. This is where the buyer are sitting. So let's just be patient. So we are buying the as for me, we are buying the market from here again. Then we are going higher into this key level. So let's see what we are having. Let's write the coordinate out. This is our entry. This is our take profit. Why this is our stop trade. Our entry 50.1, our take profit is 3.3. So our stop trade. So this is what we are having. So this is what we are having. We are buying the opportunity from here. So let us be patient. We are buying the opportunity from here. Let's be expecting. Let's move to 30 minutes. You can see 30 minutes. We have FED set for here. So as for me, I'm expecting the buy opportunity to come down before we can see uptrend. Let's move to 50-minute time frame. You can see this is FED here. So if we define a 50-minute time frame, there's what you can see where the market is. So let us be expecting the market to come down before we can buy the market. So let's move to GU. Let's see what GU has for us. This is GU. For monthly time frame, these are the monthly key level we have for more on GU. And GU, this on monthly time frame, these are our FEG self. So these are the key level we are having. This is where we are. This is where we are going. We are buying the market. Though this is the support to resistance. This is the support to resistance, and we are buying the market to come here before we can say which of down. Yes, before we can say retracement. And these are multiple rejection here. These are the key level. This serves as a liquidity sweat for me on monthly time frame. So we are in uptrend as for me. We are in uptrend. This is the break of structure. This is another break of structure. But on monthly time frame, let me use this Fibonacci retracement to see maybe this retracement is 50%. This is 50%. Seriously, this is 50%. As for me, this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend, but these are the recent what opportunity we are seeing. You can see the recent opportunity we are seeing. Let's move to what? Let's move to monthly key level. These are weekly key level. This is what I'm seeing on weekly key level as for me. This is the key level here. These are our key level here. We have key level here, more support to resistance, resistance to support, and these are our support. These are the key level I'm having now. And as for me, this is break of structure. You can see this is the break of structure, and this is demand, and this is the previous break of structure here. You can see this is the break of structure here before we can see we'll see. So we are expecting the market. This is what the market is trying to give us seriously. We is what we or we if we want to use as body of the candle, this is the one that give us that we can see. And if we use this is our this is what the market is giving us on daily time frame. Where we are now is on daily time frame, and this is what daily time frame is giving us. I can lie. This is break of structure on daily time frame, and these are our swing high, and these are our swing low. But this swing will serve as liquidity for me because there is key monthly key level here. You can see the monthly key level here. So this is what I'm seeing on daily time frame, and this is what the market is giving us. This is our supply that mitigated the market, and this will serve as key level again because it does not give us what break of structure, but this will serve as key level for me. This is serve as resistance because market is giving me a what a liquidity swept here. So for me, we are still buying into this key level before we can decide because this is the last break of structure market give us. This is change of character market give us. Market will get this supply and give us downtrend. So I'm still expecting if we want to expect downtrend from here, we are expecting downtrend from here. So let's move to 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame. On 4 hour time frame, this is what we are having. Market mitigated this opportunity here. So on 4 hours, I'm expecting a uptrend seriously. This is break of structure on 4 hour time frame, and this is change of character. This is break of structure, and this is change of character. You can see all what we are having here. This is what we are having, and we are having break of structure again from here. We are having break of structure from here, and as for me, I'm expecting the market to come here because this is our order block again. But there is break of structure here. But let's move to 1 hour time frame to see the opportunity. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is the other block here. So 1 hour time frame is giving us another other block here, and which is giving us another break of structure here. So in case we are expecting a uptrend from here, so this month is our month, and opportunity is for us. So we are still expecting an uptrend into this. This is our first TP before we can see a uptrend into this opportunity. This is where we are expecting our opportunity. That is where we are expecting the market to mitigate it before anything. So we are buying the market from here. Well, this are what is our key level. So our entry, so this is our entry. So we are buying the market. These are our take profits. Why this our stop trade? So this is what we are having. We are buying the market from here. So we are buying the market from here into that zone. So this is what we are having on GU. So on 15-minute time frame, if you want to sell the market, you can sell. But as for me, you can see the opportunity we are having on GU. So let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. Seriously. Let's move to EU. Let's see what EU is giving us. This is EU. From monthly time frame to EU is a uptrend. Seriously, this is a liquidity swept here. You can see the key level here. Key level here. So we are market is giving us uptrend, and this is FEG. So market is coming here before we can see uptrend. So let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is what we are having. You can see these are key level here. These are the what the market is giving us. Seriously, we guys be patient on this market. We guys be patient on this market. Seriously. So this is what I'm seeing, and this is what the market is giving us. So all what we just need now, all what we just need now. Let's just move to daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is what the market is giving. This is the last break of structure. And this is our swing high. This is our swing low here. You can see market has broken it. Market has broken it. And we are having what break of structure here. We are having break of structure here. And this is our supply. And this is our what? And we have other block here, you can see. So we don't know where the market is going to expect, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure it's going to expect this other this is a liquidity swept here. This is a liquidity swept here. So let's see where the market is going to respect. So let's move to 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame. This is what the market is. You can see what the market has. Our market broken is turned towards support and resistance. So this is the opportunity we are having. We are having demand here. And we are having break of structure here. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. You can see the opportunity 1 hour time frame is giving us. So this is what we are buying the market from this because this has already served as liquidity swept into the zone. So as for me, the market is buying from here. So we are buying into that other block. So this is the opportunity of buy. Our entry is a buy. Our take profit our stop trade, and you can see we are buying the market. So we are buying the market from here into that other block zone. So definitely this is about buy opportunity. So I will rather wait for this buy than to be taking trade up and down. So if you want to take this sell, you can take this sell. But as for me, I stay away from this sell. Any unseen resistance and trade my strength is cut off. Seriously. So if you want to buy, just buy into this zone. Seriously. So we are buying the market from this one. This is what I can. This is the perfect opportunity I can see. As for me, this is perfect opportunity I can see. So just know that we are buying the market into that zone from that zone. So let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ is giving us. UJ is giving us downtrend. Bearish. Okay. These are key level. This is the last month candle that got us this higher high. You can see. This is the higher high. This is the higher high. Last month higher high. And this is what the market is doing. You can see downtrend level. And let's move to forward daily weekly time frame. These are weekly time frame. Let's just plotted the opportunities. You see, this is in you can see where the market is now, and this is the high. This is the previous higher, and this is the what? This is the high now. Seriously, and we are having what another key level here. Market just broken down. So this is what we are having. Seriously, this is what the market is giving us. So let's move to daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is demand zone on daily time frame. This is demand where the market is, and we are having break of structure here. This is the break of structure, and this is what we are having. Let's just read the market. Let's see. Before we can take this uptrend, we got to be patient. Seriously, because we don't know what the market is trying to do. Seriously, we don't know what the market is trying to do. All what we are, we just say, let's just be patient. Seriously. So let's move to 4 hour time, which is our analysis time frame. You can see 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame just give us liquidity swept from here. You can see the liquidity swept 4 hours gave us. 4 hour time frame just gave us 4 hour time frame just gave us liquidity swept. You can see what liquidity swept 4 hour gave us. So all what where I can say I'm seeing a buy opportunity. So all what I can see now, I'm seeing a buy opportunity. Before I can take this buy opportunity, I have to be patient. You can see I have to see a market structure shift from here. If I can see a market structure shift from here, then I can take the buy. But as for now, I don't know what the market is trying to do. Let's move to this minute time frame to see maybe the opportunity is. Okay, see what the market is trying to give us. Market has already mitigated. If you want to join this buy, you can just join the buy. Let's move to the 3 minute time frame. This is what 15 minute time frame is giving us. This is break of structure plus liquidity sweep because we have liquidity sweep on what? On 4 hour time frame. This is a liquidity sweep opportunity. This is a liquidity sweep. After a liquidity sweep of 1 hour time frame. So this is what the market gave us here. We have break of structure here. This is break of structure here, and this is 1 hour supply here. You can see the 1 hour supply, and we still have break of structure here, and we still have supply here. So that's why I said we guys be patient. We already know that market has mitigated this demand, but we don't know, maybe it's going up or the seller is still trying. Our seller are in the market, so we guys be patient. But generally, when market has said this liquidity is going up, but we don't know which supply. But as for me, this is the supply that is going to hold it, because we have FEG here. So as for me, we are still buying the market, but before we can buy the market, we got see what market structure shifts what on 1 hour time frame before we can say we are buying the market to this to this zone. But as for now, the market is still buying on 15-minute time frame. This is what the market is doing. You can see break of structure. You can see break of structure. Market mitigated this opportunity go up. So market give us another break of structure here, making it we show this liquidity. So this is what the market is going on 50. Oh, this market is just making me laugh. But as for me, market is going uptrend. But let's see a market structure shift, CFEG, before we can take the trade. That is what I can see. But as for now, I do not see opportunity. I cannot take any trade. But I know that market is going up seriously. So let's see what the market is giving us on GJ. GJ2 was already straight with the liquidity. This is for monthly time frame. You can see the key level. You can see this key level that market is playing around before continue. So this is another key level. Let's say market is coming to this key level. You can see uptrend. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is our weekly time frame. As for me, this is the key level here. This is the what? Key level. Key level. And this is the what? This is the key level. And this is another key level here. You can see how the key level is, because I put the market at the body of the candle. I can see this is the body of the candle that give us this lower low, so that is why I put it there. So you can see market does not expect this key level, and we are what we are here. This is another key level here. So all what we just need now. This is the support. This is the higher low that give us this higher high, and this is the what higher low that give us this higher high. So this is what we are having now. So let's move to daily time frame. This is our swing high now. This is our swing low. Seriously, you can see, because this is a demand zone here. On daily time frame, this is a demand zone here, because this is break of structure. I've already said this we still have a liquidity, and this is another break of structure, and this is break of structure. So I already know this serve as liquidity, but as I was not in this one, because I did not fund my account seriously. I did not have capital in my account. I just funded my 7 dollar into this deriv account. I want to be trading synthetic. If I can make profit on synthetic, so I will push it on this forex seriously. So this is what the market is giving us, and this is the demand. This is the next demand we are expecting the market to come. So you can see what the market is doing now. So this is what the market is doing. So let's see where we can sell the market. On 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame, and 1 hour time frame, this is what we are having on 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. As for me, this is a liquidity short market. You can see this is a liquidity sweep market, because if we define this opportunity, you can see when we define it on 1 hour, no, on 1 hour basis. So this is what on 4 hour. This is what we are seeing on 4 hour time frame. So let's move to this is what 4 hour time frame is giving us. We are having supply here because this is a liquidity sweep. We are having supply here and we are having break of structure here. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. So this is 1 hour time frame. Let's define this opportunity into 1 hour. Seriously. You can see if we use daily time frame, our what? Our stop loss will be big. But on 1 hour, you can see when we define it to 1 hour, you can see what we are having now. You can see what we are having. But this is what the market is giving us on 1 hour time frame. This is a liquidity sweep, and this is what we are having. After the liquidity sweep, on 1 hour time frame, we are having another supply here. So this is our 4 hour supply, and this is what 1 hour supply because we are having break of structure here. So we guys be patient seriously. So let's see 30 minute time frame. If you can buy the market, you can see what is happening on GU is happening on UJ too. So we are buying the market as for me on 15 minute time frame. Let's see where you can buy. You can just join the market and buy the market and take a profit here. Just wait for the market to trigger you here, to trigger you here from here and what and buy the market seriously. This is what I can see. Let me write out the coordinate out if you want to buy the market. This is what I can see for the buyers. These are entry. This is take profit. Why this is our stop trade. Yeah. And this is what I can see. You can see, and our stop loss will be here. So we are taking our take profit over here. So let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Let us wait. If you want to buy self, you can just buy the market. So let me see, maybe I can buy for this 400 minutes competition just started. This is what I can see. So DJ, let me trade DJ self. GBPJPY. So let's see if I can buy the market. So let's see crypto. Let's see what crypto has for us. On UJ2 is also buy. On UJ2 is also buy seriously, but on UJ2 is also buy. Our stop loss will be here. So let me just join this by maybe it's going to favor us. It's going to favor us. No, it's not as maybe it's going to favor us. It's going to favor us. As for me, it's going to favor us. So I've entered the market. I just enter with execution, market execution. Seriously. So let's see crypto. Let's see what crypto has for us. BTC and Ethereum. Let's see what they ask for. Let's see what they ask for us. They have for us. This is BTC. These are key level on BTC, key level on BTC. These are key level. I'm not the key level are here. So as for me, market is coming down. This is a liquidity sweat. This is a liquidity sweat where market is. So market is on this zone. So I'm still expecting a buy before we can see a sell. So let's see this because this is the break of structure and this is supply on monthly time frame. And we have FEG here, you can see, and we're expecting a buy before a sell. On weekly time frame, this is weekly key level. These are key level here. This is our key level here. This is our key level. Those are our key level. You can see market is on this key level and we are having supply here. Let's move to daily time frame. This is daily time frame. You can see this is the supply zone we are having daily time frame. That is day. And this is the break of structure we are having on work. So as for me, this please serve as liquidity market need to sweat. This liquidity means this place means danger zone. This liquidity zone. It means danger zone because they are what? They are stop loss here. So as for me, let's define this opportunity very well before we can take the trade. This is the last break of structure market gave us. And as for me, this is a liquidity swept on daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is all what we are having on 4 hour time frame. This is break of structure on 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, previous break of structure. And this is the break of structure. Market will trigger here, but it couldn't what? It couldn't come back. But I'm seeing this is our liquidity swept. Let's see what this market is doing. So this is what this is a demand. No, we cannot say these are the demand. This is a demand. This is the where the key level is. This is the demand zone. You can see the demand. This is the demand zone for me. So I can see liquidity straight from here. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to redefine this opportunity. On 1 hour time frame, if we redefine this opportunity, This is what we are seeing. So let's see if the market can respect this 1 hour key zone before we can continue the uptrend. You can see on 1 hour time frame, this is the last break of structure 1 hour gave us. And markets respected this other block. Markets respected this other block. Seriously. This is a break of structure, change of character. So I'm expecting a buy from here. Where is this coordinate self? Where is this coordinate? Where is this coordinate now? Okay. So 4 hour time frame, don't go anywhere. So this is what we are having on 4 hour time frame. And on 1 hour time frame, we said we should use this 1 hour opportunity. So we are buying the market from here into this break of structure. So these are what these are opportunity. But as for now, I'm still expecting to sell it before. This is a what market structure shift here. And but market touch it here before what before continue the downtrend. So I'm waiting for the market to come here. Because on 4 hour time frame there is no FEG down. This is an FEG opportunity, you can see. You can see this is an FEG opportunity here. So if you want to buy this market, you are just buying into the zone. So this is what I'm seeing. So this is our entry. These are our stop trades. No, these are take profits. It cannot be stop trade. And these are stop trades. So this is what we are having. So let's see the opportunity market is giving us on Ethereum also. So this is Ethereum. This is what the market is giving us on monthly time frame. These are key level monthly time frame itself, you can see. But this is what the market is. This is what the market is. We'll see. We are still in downtrend on daily time frame. Let's see weekly key level. This is our weekly key level. This is what the market is giving us. This is our key level here. This is our key level here. You can see this key level now. This key level here also here. So there's key level also here also. So this is what the market is giving us. This is where the key level is. This is where the key level is. You can see. So let's move to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, this is our supply. because you can see this is break of structure and this is our supply. Because for me, market has mitigated this FEG, this other block, but I'm expecting the market to mitigate this supply, this opportunity before we can see it. But on what? On daily time frame, this is an FEG we are having on daily time frame. And on daily time frame, this is break of structure. This is always break of structure also, but market is in this zone. But if market does not even use it's coming to this FEG, seriously, let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is another key level here. Let me see. Maybe this is valid break of structure. This is a valid break of structure. Yes, see. This is a valid break of structure. Yes. Yeah. Also. So this is what we are having. Break of structure here. This is what we are having. Let's see what the market is trying to give us. Seriously. Because this is our liquidity threat already. So maybe market is coming to this FEG. Market is coming to this FEG. Definitely we are buying from this FEG. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. But as for me, I'm not seeing any opportunity itself. So I rather wait for the market to give me the opportunity before taking anything. You can see this is real cost structure. Market shows this liquidity of here. So continue the downtrend. So I did not see opportunity on Ethereum. Seriously. So this is what I'm seeing. This is what the market is giving us. This is the opportunity market gave us. So can let's be patient and let's just wait. Today is going to favor us. This week is going to favor us, and we are going to be profitable and successful in this trading journey and the other skills we are doing. This month is our month. This week is our week, and success is ours. Peace and love. Have a successful day ahead. Thanks. And don't forget to what? Subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. Please, so thanks.